Hello there, my name is Charity and today I'll be sharing a tour of my DIY van conversion. This is my she shed on wheels and my happy place. I use this van to work, play, and get away. I had zero experience with carpentry, power tools, and electricity, so I am quite grateful to God that it turned out as well as it did. And by the way, her name is Pearl because of the transformation we both had to go through. Just behind the driver's seat, I have a small trash can, the front window covers, the platform to complete my sectional embed, and a large umbrella. I have a USB water dispenser from Amazon and an inexpensive wooden bowl that I epoxied and cut a hole in to attach the drain. I do not have a formal countertop, I just have a piece of wood that was cut to size and treated with a natural oil. The canvas picture you see was the inspiration piece for the whole van, and then I built this shelf for aesthetics and storage. I purchased and assembled two large Ivar pine cabinets from IKEA, and they come with two adjustable removable shelves. I have created two drawers out of scrap wood, and the first one houses pantry items and the second one houses toiletries and personal items. On the bottom shelf, I have a Thetford porta potty, which has been extremely convenient and easy to use. I have a 4-gallon gray water and a 4-gallon freshwater tank, and I have household and cleaning items stored all around the tanks. In the second cabinet, I have placed the portable power station and the appliances that require electricity so that I can conveniently leave them plugged in. I was quite overwhelmed with the process of this build, so I chose to keep everything as basic as possible. This is the power system for the whole van, and I did not install any electrical wiring in the walls or the ceiling. I installed this cable hole so that I could easily access the battery to charge my phone and computer. If you would like to know the stats for this portable solar power station, just pause the screen now. I have 6 USB rechargeable lights that are held in place by magnetic brackets. The remote control has both dimmer and timer functions, and when the lights need to be charged, I just take them down and connect them to the battery. My rear window covers are basically reflectics that have been cut to size, magnets attached, and then I put them inside of a large Eurosham pillowcase with a zipper. Underneath the bench cushions on each side, I keep the reflectics for the side windows, and I plan to attach some fabric to those really soon. I have 2 USB rechargeable fans, and they rotate 360 degrees in any direction. I can clip them anywhere I like, and they also stand on their own. It was important for me to keep my vehicle parked inside my garage because I do live in Arizona. Therefore, I did not install a roof fan or vent because I did not have enough clearance in my garage door opening. Ventilation and natural light were important to me, so the bunk windows and the rear windows were the only thing that I had professionally installed. And the windows coupled with the fans really help out a lot with airflow. Aesthetics and function were equally important to me, so like many others, I do use my decorative pillows for storage as needed. My table is just a piece of hardwood that has been cut to size and painted white. It is on a lagoon table mount and can be easily rotated, raised, lowered, or completely removed. The wooden piece I showed you earlier can create somewhat of a sectional, and it also serves as part of the bed platform. And I must admit, this is one of my favorite places to lounge in the whole van. This piece can also be moved to the opposite side if I want to have the back doors open and enjoy a scenic view from that perspective. If I don't want to use the sectional portion of the bed, I usually keep the cushions stored in the driver's seat or in my garage. In hindsight, I would have just made my backrest 2 cushions. These sheer curtains have been perfect as bug screens and for added privacy. To create the bed platform, the table drops into the remaining space and then the cushions just slide in to fill that space. The bed size is around the size of a short full. In the driver's side storage bench, I keep my shower set up, my Zero Breeze air conditioner, extra water, and a few other things. There is also some storage space in the wheel wells. The shower setup is very basic. I watched a YouTube video on how to create the shower sprayer. I use magnetic hooks to attach the curtains to the ceiling, and then the plastic bin catches the water. In the passenger side bench, I keep the solar panel, recovery gear, tools, camp stove, and things I tend not to reach for as often. I cannot do the mosquitoes and flies, so I purchased this bug screen from Amazon and modified it to fit my side door. I built these drawers mainly for storing my clothes when I travel. In some upcoming videos, I'll be sharing my very first trip in the van, as well as some upgrades I had to make to the van. There will be a dedicated playlist that includes all videos pertaining to this van and its future projects and adventures. I have recently decided to transition my channel into a home of creative projects, personal growth, and living my best life. So please subscribe and join me on the journey.